for the moment you've all been waiting for.
Where are the others?
Early birds, type early bird for a 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time early bird spin. Will 3 lucky winners win sticky stickers and a spin on his prize wheel.
Rock the house and raise the roof with the area's hottest DJ. We're smoking.
You are listening to station KSOA 313 on your dial.
This is the police! We have you surrounded!
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
Howdy, soldier.
Smash that like button.
In a world consumed by greed and hatred, a glimmer of light emerges from the darkness. In a world where bad guys are doing bad things, the good guy has decided to do a good thing by stopping the bad guys from doing those bad things. In an unsuspecting world, a mysterious visitor has arrived. In a world that has known peace for generations, an insidious corruption festers unseen, and the unthinkable prospect of war now seems imminent. In a world scorched by the sun and marred by the fallout of the final war, humanity teeters on the brink of extinction. In a world at war with itself, heroes and legends are forged on blood-soaked battlefields.
Please verify you are a human. I'll wait.
Oh yeah.
The stuff that dreams are made of.
Like, comment, and subscribe.